Welcome to another half an hour of entertainment and lifestyle right here on Pree Dis. Now my name is Kruddy and trust me, we have a jam-packed show for you. This week we're in Portmore again at a different section. So listen, let's chill, sit back, cause Pree Dis start right now. Check it out. Now this week's edition of Pree Dis start with highlights from WTF. Of course, it was Creeps and Ellis' birthday. You know, Pree Dis run on the building, was shell it, and check all the highlights right now. Did I go in the pool? Check this right here.
Every girl just Richie, just look on the girl. Just look on the girl on full side. Not doing the chin.
WTF, of course I got that power music playing in the background right now. You don't know, right now we're here with Russell. Tell me how you enjoy the party so far.
Boy, my day, first of all, you don't know Ellis them, like, I'm a little brother them from long time, so me and Ellis them, we basically grew up together and my day and I know a Creep from longer time, so we there big up my friend them.
How you loving the party now?
Well, I just reached and it's mad vibes, people getting wet and everything. It's good, I like the vibe already.
You're going to the pool later?
No.
Yeah, man, we can go to the pool, man. Keep it locked, Pree Dis so forward.
I'm good, great.
Sorry, oh, you abandoned the party so a long time to see you.
No, I've been here, just chilling though, I'm keeping it cool at home.
Thank God for WTF, how you enjoying the party so far though?
Good, the vibe good, the music shot, everything good. We're just living it out right now, I enjoy myself.
This is right here at WTF, what now? Guess what? Be here hot girl, look on my right side right now. Jilly, what good?
Hi.
All right, tell me the main question for tonight. Have you been drinking responsibly?
Of course.
All right.
I'm very sober.
Enjoy the party? All right.
Big up to my brother, happy birthday Warren, I love you. Big up Ellis, love you. Cheers, friendship.
Pree Dis, we're so forward back, we're gone. We have Europe represented in the building. We have Sweden in the house. Eva, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, I'm wet.
I can see that. Tell me how you're enjoying the party though.
Yeah, it's really fun, and I love pushing my friends in the water.
All right, so you going back in the pool for the rest of the night?
Yeah, you too?
Only if he's with you?
Yeah.
Up in a one spot. Walk out, make everybody see your body. When your favorite song drop, broke out, cause you no cater to nobody. You know own no girl, and you no have no girl clothes. So next time when the video man pass, walk up in the light and pose.
A Creep birthday, and one bag of things are going. So hear me, I say, Nyla, what you have to say first?
Bless up yourself, Creep. One of the body selector them right here now. And a long time we know say one of the body selector. Some people just lag on party something.
Yeah,
but big up yourself and many more birthday. Oh, you have birthday till them have to wheelchair you into the party.
All right, yo. Nico, what kind of blessings you have to say?
I'm tell you something. You see when one big DJ say his favorite DJ is our next big DJ, you know say it's a big DJ. Bless up Creep on his birthday. That'll come from Nico and the whole of SHS. You understand? Superhero Squad say Creep, big up yourself. WTF.
All right, Spider-Man, what you say?
Yo, you don't know Creep. Long life, you know who said what the we're not even our cuss. We're not about our cuss. We're not cuss.
All right, Creep on your birthday and all these things. Tell me how you feel about the whole support of everybody though.
I'm just humble as always and thankful for the turnout. You see me that, cause you don't know a long time when I do it and when we get back the love, you know, we just appreciate it at all times and forever humble. You see me, as I said. Straight.
Two big bad boss birthday, we just interview one, and right now, at the next birthday boy, Ellis, tell me what I go and tell me how you feel right now.
Right now, I feel good. On my birthday, I feel good.
Yeah.
You see me, I say, people them there support and we just give thanks. You see me, I say?
Yeah. All right, WTF, I don't know where to go and tell what I have planned for the next one.
All right, well, I'll keep the same pool party vibe next year. Yeah. Maybe next year, maybe even this Christmas. Because the people them like it.
Yeah.
If you look at the background, people them like it.
People them like it.
Yes,
People them like it. It's all about WTF Ellis keeping the show rolling now. Dancehall artist Konshens recently give back to everybody who supported him in the music. Sherlock, back to school, give back. Konshens, Pree Dis. Check this one out right here. Hit us up on Twitter at Pree Dis Show.
I want it to be a year-to-year thing. This is the second year or the third year. You understand? Big up paper chasers. So the people never enjoy themselves. We go where you know and come back looking more for the stage show, big people section. Because you know, so we are going to sell in the bar when the big people them they don't know. And them money they we are going to use now. Shot the school fee them, shot the book list them, shot the uniform them and the something. You understand? So big up all who come out and support it.
Tushin paper chaser, Greg Subconscious CEO. You're big up on yourself. This is Sherlock and you love it.
So what do you think about what Konshens and Subconscious I do for the community?
You know, say anything for the community, especially for the kids, them is always a great thing, not even just a good thing. And I mean Subconscious, you know, Konshens, a part of him places, so I'm used to dance at one point I live, so it's a great thing.
Believe me, it's great because it's pushing kids to be more educated in school, etc. Yeah.
For me, I think that it's good because a lot of parents don't have the back to school supplies and so forth, and this would really help most of them to get back to school and so forth.
All I have to say is, yeah, him fell off it good because it motivates them people and so him going to do good job, you see me? A good job for content, sub.
You like the treat?
Yeah.
What you like about the treat?
Nice?
Nice. The treat nice?
Yes.
What you like about the treat?
It's very, very nice.
You call it that now a year-to-year thing. You don't know you have to give back. I don't know a paper chasers and Subconscious put it on. You don't know some youth from out of them places will make it away and can give back to the people. So we have to do that something, man.
You know, it's a good thing them do. Every year, they make it bigger and bigger. It's a good thing for the community. Less violence in other place. So big up paper chasers and big up Subconscious every time.
Now, when you talk back to school, you have to think about children. You have to think about students. You have to think about all of them little toddlers having fun. Now, when I put all of that together with the word fun, I get Dolphin Cove. Now, if you never, ever visit Dolphin Cove, now is your chance. I was there, and trust me, it brought the fun, the kid, everything out in me. Check out Dolphin Cove feature right here on Pree Dis.
There's Dolphin Cove Ocho Rios, Dolphin Cove Negril, and there's the exclusive Dolphin Cove at Half Moon. When you go to Dolphin Cove, it's an experience with nature that's unforgettable. You get to embrace nature and experience nature really close up. Especially Dolphin Cove Ocho Rios, there's so much to see and to do and to experience here. Dolphin Cove won the World Travel Awards in 2012 for being the leading nature adventure excursion operator for the Caribbean. There is a walk-in aviary where you get to walk in and the birds actually eat out of your hand. And it is sensational having the birds all over you. And then you go to the iguana and get to embrace the iguana. There's a snake. There's a huge exotic birds, the parrots. After that, there's the dolphins. When you come to Ocho Rios, it's the experience of a lifetime, memories that will last forever. When you think of some place that you want to go to experience nature close up, think Dolphin Cove. And the food here is awesome. The photos that we capture here, they are great. So we have everything that's here to make you feel like you're at a complete attraction. We're open at 8:30 in the mornings, but the park itself is usually ready for guests by 10. So we recommend that guests who are coming here come by 10. And usually we close by 5. We target everybody, the old, the young, the middle-aged, but we find that the children, when you see the look on their faces when they come to Dolphin Cove, it's priceless.
Don't flip the station, you're watching Pree Dis with the #1 host, Kruddy. Hit me up on Twitter, we're soon forward. First commercial break is brought to you by Rum Bar White Overproof Rum.